भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य सुगुणारामं भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य सुगुणारामं भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य भावुक वितरण परावागलीलारसितं भावुक वितरण परावागलीलारसितं हरि ग सरि मा पद पद रि सा नि द नि द प म ग रि सरि मा ग रि मा पद प म पद सा नि द नि द प म पद ग रि स द ग रि नि द म ग रि स द भावयामि रघुरामं दिनकरान्वयतिलकं पुण्यगाधिसुतसवनावरचित सुबाहुमुख वरमहल्यापावनं दिनकरान्वयतिलकं पुण्यगाधिसुतसवनावरचित सुबाहुमुख अनघं ईशचापभङ्गं जनकसुता प्राणेशम् अनघं ईशचापभङ्गं जनकसुता प्राणेशम् धनकुपित भृगुराम गर्वहरम् इदसाकेतम् धनकुपित भृगुराम गर्वहरम् इदसाकेतम् मागसानि सरि ग म नि द म ग रि ग म प ग रि स नि ध नि स रि ग म नि ध नि प द नि स नि ध नि स रि ग म ग स नि ग रि स द ग रि रि द म ग रि स द भावयामि रघुरामं विहताभिषेकमथ विपिनगतमार्यवाचा सहित सीतासौमित्रिं शान्ततं शीलं विहताभिषेकमथ विपिनगतमार्यवाचा सहित सीतासौमित्रिं शान्ततं शीलं हरिलयगतं चित्र कूटागत भरतदत्त महितरत्नमय पादुकं मदनसुन्दराङ्गं महितरत्नमय पादुकं मदनसुन्दराङ्गं ni sa ga ri sa ni da pa ni sa ga ri sa भावयामि रघुरामम्
तदण्डकारण्यक
गतविराधदलम् विततदण्डकारण्यक गतविराधदलम् सुचरित
घटजदता
वैष्णवास्त्रम्
सुचरित घटजदता
वैष्णवास्त्रम् पतलवर जटायुनुतं पञ्चवटी विहितवासं पतलवर जटायुनुतं पञ्चवटी विहितवासं अतिघोर शूर्पणखावचनागत खरारिहरम् अतिघोर शूर्पणखावचनागत खरारिहरम् पगरि गरि सदा सरिगा पद सदा पगरि सरि गप गरि सरि गरि सदा सरि गरि गप पद पद सगरि सदा रि सदा सदा गरि नि दम गरि सदा भावयामि रघुरामम् कनकमृगरूपधर खलमारीच हरमिह सुजन विमददशास्य हृतजनकजालेशम् कनकमृगरूपधर कलमारीच हरमिह सुजन विमददशास्य हृतजनकजालेशम् अनघं पम्पातीरसङ्गताञ्जनेयन भोमण्डितनुजसख्यकरं वालीतनुदलनम् ईशम् अनघं पम्पातीरसङ्गताञ्जनेयन भोमण्डितमुजसख्यकरं वालीतनुदलनम् ईशम् वामगरि सानिद सरि मा गरि सरि मा पम निद सा सरि र प प म गरि सनि द सरि म प नि द म प द स गरि सदा रि सदा सदा गरि नि द म गरि सदा भावयामि रघुरामम्
वानरोत्तम सहित वायुसूनुकरार्पित भानुशत भास्वर भव्य रत्नाङ्गुलीयं वानरोत्तम सहित वायुसूनुकरार्पित भानुशत मिलितं मगरि गरि सद सरि ग
ಮದ ಸಾರಿ ದ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ಗಮ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಮರಿ ಗ ಸಾರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ಪ ಸಾರಿ ಗರಿ ಸದಾ ರಿ ಸದಾ ಸದಾ ಗರಿ ನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದಾ ಭಾವಯಾಮಿ
रघुरामं कलितवरसेतुबन्धं खलनिसीमाभिषेकाशम दलनमुरुदशकण्ठविलहरम् अतिधीरं कलितवरसेतुबन्धं खलनिसीमाभिषेकाशम दलनमुरुदशकण्ठविलहरम् अतिधीरं ज्वलनपूतजनकसुता सहितं यातसाकेतं ज्वलनपूतजनकसुता सहितं यातसाकेतं विलसितपट्टाभिषेकं विश्वपालं पद्मनाभिं विलसितपट्टाभिषेकं विश्वपालं पद्मनाभं रीमलिमपनि पमपनि सा ईशानि पपममरि सा पमरि सरि सरि मप दप सानि धरि दप मगरि सानि ध सरि मगरि सरि ग दप गरि सरि ग पद सरि सदा पद पगरि सरि स मग मरि धनि वदनि सगरि सदा रि सदा सदा गरि ग मगरि सद भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य सुगुणारामं भावयामि रघुरामम्
भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य सुगुणारामम्.
I contemplate upon that Rama, who is a place of residence for noble qualities, which are supposed to be there in a good person. Bhavuka Vitarana Para Apanga Leela Lasitam.
The one who shines with his sporting side glances that bestows prosperity. Dinakaran Vayatilakam.
The foremost among those who belong to the Surya Vamsha.
Divyagadhi Suta Savanavana Rachita Subhahu Mukha Vadham.
Who killed Subahu, etc., for the sake of protecting the divine sacrifice, Savana Avana, of Vishwamitra, the son of Gadhi,
Ahalya Pavanam.
who purified Ahalya,
Anagham
one who is blemishless, Isha Chapa Bhangam, who broke Shiva's bow,
Janaka Suta Pranesham.
the loving lord of Sita,
Ghana Kupita Bhrigurama Garbhaharam.
who took away the pride of Parashurama, who was excessively angry,
Ita Saketam.
who returned to Ayodhya after Sita Kalyana and other events. Vihatabhishekam,
One whose consecrations what impeded.
Atha
Afterwards,
Vipinagatam Aryavacha,
due to the word given by the elderly Dasharatha who went to the forest,
Sahita Sita Saumitrim,
along with Sita and Lakshmana,
Shanta Tamashilam,
who carries himself with utmost calmness,
Guhanilayagatam,
who visits the residing place of Guha,
Chitrakootagata Bharata Datta Mahita Ratna Maya Padukam,
who gave Bharata, who had come to Chitrakuta, his invaluable gem-studded sandals,
Madana Sundarangam,
whose form is as beautiful as the god of love. वितत दण्डकारण्यक गतविराध दलनम्.
who killed Viradha, who was roaming about in the vast Dandaka forest,
सुचरित घटज दत्तानुपमित वैष्णवास्त्रम्.
one with the matchless bow, Anupamita Vaishnavastram of Lord Vishnu, which was given by the meritorious sage Agastya. Ghataja Datta, Sucharita Ghataja Datta.
पतगवर जटायुनुतं.
Worshipped by Jatayu, the foremost among birds,
पंचवटी विहितावासम्.
who designed his residence in Panchavati,
अतिघोर शूर्पणखा वचनागत खरादि.
who destroyed Khara and other Rakshasas who had come for battle based upon the words of the evil Shurpanakha. Kanaka Mruga Rupadhara Khala Maricha Haram Iha.
One who killed the evil Maricha, who had assumed the form of a golden deer.
Sujana Vimata Dashasya Hrita Janakaja Anveshanam.
One who is searching for Sita, who was taken away by the 10-faced Ravana, who was not acceptable to the sadhus.
Anagham.
Who is blemishless.
Pampatira Sangata Anjaneya Nabhomani Tanuja Sakhyakaram.
Who met Anjaneya on the banks of river Pampa and made friends with Sugriva, the son of Sun.
Vali Tanudalanam.
Who destroyed Bali's Sharira.
Isham.
Who is the controller of the universe. Vanarottama Sahita Vayusunu Kararpita Bhanushata Bhaswara Bhavya Ratanguliyam.
One whose ring is gem-studded and is as lustrous as 100 of suns. This ring was handed over to Hanuman, the son of Vayu, who was along with the other superior monkeys,
Tena Punaranita Nyuna Chudamani Darshanam.
who beheld the head jewel of Sita, which is invaluable, Anyuna Chudamani Darshanam, and which was brought back by Hanuman. Punaha Anita Anyuna Chudamani Darshanam,
Srinidhim
who is the treasury of auspiciousness,
Udadhi Tire
on the seashore,
Shrita Vibhishana Militam.
who was joined by Vibhishana, who surrendered to him. Kalita Varasetu Bandham,
The one who constructed the sea bridge.
Khala Nissima Pishitashana Dalanam,
Who killed the flesh-eating demons whose evilness is boundaryless.
Uru Dasha Kantha Vidaram,
Who slayed the 10-headed Ravana.
Atidhiram,
Who is the ever-majestic.
Jwalana Puta Janakasuta Sahitam,
Who is along with Sita, whose chastity was proven by the fire god.
Yata Saketam,
Who went back to Ayodhya.
Vilasita Pattabhishekam,
Whose coronation was performed.
Vishwapalam,
The protector of the world.
Padmanabham,
Lord Padmanabha.
Bhavayami Raghuramam. Radha Krishna.